This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This wait not swipe away just is undoubtedly super practical for everyday use. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it delivers outstanding results instantly. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before it's completely gone. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This wait not swipe away just is undoubtedly super